Right, who wants to go outside? There's the table. There's the drift. That drift is up probably about hip high now on me, which is probably about 3 feet. Tree's looking pretty. There's Lucy. There's Pokemon. Where'd Pixie go? Where'd Pixie go? Did she fall in the snow? There's Lucy digging. There's Lorelei. Hey, Lorelei. Hey, Lorelei. There's Pixie. There's Pixie and Lucy. Where's Pokemon? Pokemon! He's running around in the snow. There he comes. There he is. There's Lucy. There's Pokemon. Too much snow, Pokemon says. Too much snow. Lucy's digging. Pokemon standing up trying to look over the snowdrift. Lucy and Pokemon are playing. Where's the little dudes? Did they fall in? I see Lorelei way back there. And there's Pixie too. There's Pixie. Hey, Pixie Pooh. There's Lorelei. Hey, Lorelei. Lorelei. I don't understand why nobody wants to go out and play. Come on, Lorelei, you want to come inside? That a girl.